Good morning, student. Today we discuss on the topic evolution of computer. First, we discuss what is evolution. Evolution is the process of gradually changing in development of anything. That means it is process of gradually changing in the development of anything. Just like this, if we take the example of vehicle, that is car, so before in this modern age there were different technology, but before that the technology is different. So these process is the comes in evolution. Just like in our computer system, this type computer system, that is LED or LCD base, and before that we have used CRT monitor, and before that for calculation we have to use different machine, because computer develop or generate from the word compute, that means calculation. So in the area of computer system, different devices are developed for counting purpose and leads to this time computer generate. Today we are discuss all of the devices that makes the computer evolution. The first is abacus. It is developed by China 3000 years ago. It is called that this is the first calculating device, and it is made from a wooden frame in which there is different column. This vertical wire that represent the column, and there different bits that is helpful for calculation. It is divided in two sections. The upper section is called heaven and the lower section is called earth. Heaven and earth. After this Pascaline, that is developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It is a mechanical calculator that is used for addition and subtraction of the data. It is also called a adding machine or a Pascaline. Next is defense engine, and it is developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It is called first automatic calculating machine because the main purpose of this machine is for calculation, and this is called automatic, that we have to enter data and this gives result automatically. After the device developed, that is called analytical engine, and it is also developed by Charles Babbage in 1833. This is the revised version of defense engine. That means we have changed in the defense engine, and the revised version is called analytical engine. Father of computer Father of computer is called Charles Babbage because this analytical engine that is developed by Charles Babbage, this is similar to this time computer. So, and it contains advanced feature, the modern type of computer. So, Charles Babbage is called father of computer because more of the changes, just like a modern computer, developed by Charles Babbage. After this, Lady Ada Augusta, she is a first programmer in the world. She is called the first programmer in the world because firstly she stored instruction in the analytical engine, because this machine is just like a similar modern type of computer, and Lady Ada Augusta stored instruction in that. Next is Hollerith census tabulator. This device developed by Herman Hollerith. So this is called Hollerith census tabulator. This is called calculating device and it is used punch card. A punch card is a device that is used to input data. It is just like in this age we have to use keyboard. Before that time we use punch card. So it is calculating device that is used punch card for input data in this machine. It is run by electricity, and this was firstly used by US to measure the census of that state. It is called census tabulator because with the help of this we tabulate anything in row and columns, and census, that is main purpose of this machine, that is to measure population. Next is ICANN and Mark First. ICANN and other engineers of IBM, that is called International Business Machine, developed a device that is called Mark First in 1939. It is called first electromechanical computer because in this computer there were both features, electrically and mechanical, both features are inbuilt. So we called first electromechanical computer. This is basically used for multiplication and division, and from this machine we have to do fast multiplication and division. After this, ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator, that is developed by Sir J.P. Eckert and John Michell in 1946, the first electronic computer. So these are the devices that leads to this generation computer, that is Abacus, Pascaline, Defense Engine, Analytical Engine, Lady Ada Augusta, Hollerith census tabulator, ICANN and Mark First, and ENIAC. I hope you got it proper way.